everyone, in this video we are going to see the next type of your coding and decoding concept. Let's see the question one by one. So here, if the code of beauty is CFBVUZ, then admire will be coded as. Observe your word beauty. Beauty will be written as CFBVUZ. The next letter of B is C, the next letter of E is F, the next letter of A is B, the next letter of U is V. Similarly, the next letter of T is U, the next letter of Y is Z. Next, immediate letters. So, admire will be coded as, the next letter of A is B, the next letter of D is E, the next letter of M is N, the next letter of I is J, the next letter of R is S, the next letter of E is F. B-E-N-J-S-F. B-E-N-J-S-F. Hence your answer is option B. Option B is the correct answer. We'll move on to your next question. Here, if the code of courage is DPVSBH, COURAGE, courage is DPVSBHF. So now, what is the next letter of C? D. What is the next letter of O? P. What is the next letter of U? V. So the next letters are substituted for the courage. Similarly, empower will be coded as, the next letter of E is F, the next letter of M is N, the next letter of P is Q, the next letter of O is P, the next letter of W is X, the next letter of E is F, the next letter of R is S. Hence your answer is FNQP XFS. FNQP XFS. Option D is the correct answer. We'll move on to your next question. If the code of enjoy is FPMSD, code of enjoy will be written as EFPMSD. Similarly, focus will be written as. So, what is the letter which is used instead of E? F, the next letter. What is the letter which is used for N? So, N, O, P. One letter is skipped here. So, the next letter, this is plus 2. So, similarly, what is the letter J? J, K, L. Two letters are skipped here. Here one letter is skipped here. So, and O, yes. What is, how many letters are there? 3 letters are there. Between O and S having the gap 3 letters. What is the letters Y and D? So, Y, Z is 1, 2, 3, 4. So, similarly, A to Z, we can consider this is circle way, 1 to 26, 1 to 26. Similarly, then what is the next letter of F? G. What is the one letter skipped after O? O, Q. Now, what is the two letters skipped from C? So, C, D, E, hence F. What is the next letter of U? 3 letters. After U, V, W, X, Y. What is the next letter? That is, what is the letter which is used for S? There is the letter must be gap, having the gap of 4 letters. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, X. So, hence your answer is G, Q, F, Y, X. Your answer is option C is the correct answer. We'll move on to your next question. Now, your question is, yes, if the code of content is BMKP ZHM, then drive will be coded as. So, content will be coded as BMKPZHM. So, what is the letter which is used for C? B. Previous letter. They are taking previous letter. What is the letter which is used for O? What is the previous letter of O? N. And again one more letter is skipped. Previous letter. So they are taking the previous forwarded letters for N. So for N, here they are using K. In between two letters are skipped. We want to skip one letter, two letter, three letter, four letter, five letter. Previously forwarded. For example, again instead of T, they are using P. So P is here. Sorry, P is here, T is here. Three letters are skipped. So three letters are skipped. Here E and Z. E and Z. How many letters are skipped? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters are forwarded. So anyway, Z. 4 letters are forwarded from E. What is the N? They are using H. 5 letters are forwarded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. 5 letters are skipped for previous letters. So there is a gap between E and H is 5 letters in the sense in the direction of forwarded. So T, what is the letter used for T? Instead of T they are used M. So what is the letters between T and M? Here M. So here T. So original word T, they are used M. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters will be skipped in the forwarded direction. Similarly, we need to write the answer for drive. So what is the one letter skipped before D? C. Hence options are started with C only. It is right. What is the one letter before R? So here using R, P. Hence the value started with P, also right. And what is the two letter before I? What is the two letter before I? 1, 2, F. What is three letters before V? 1, 2, 3, R. What is four letter before E? 1, 2, 3, 4, Z. So hence C, P, F, R, Z. So hence your answer is option C is the correct answer. We'll move on to your next question. If the code of vehicles is W, vehicle will be written as W, D, I, H, D, K, F, R. Similarly, health will be coded as, what is the V? What is the letter used for V? That is W. Here V, W, next letter. What is the next letter for E? D. That is previous letter of E is D. Next letter of H is I. Previous letter of I is J. So in this code they are using the method +1, -1, +1, -1, +1, -1. Previous letter, next letter, previous letter. Same procedure which is used for the word of health. The word of health. So what is the next letter of H? What is the next letter of H? I. What is the previous letter of E? D. What is the next letter of A? B. What is the previous letter of L? K. What is the next letter of T? U. What is the previous letter of H? What is the previous letter of H? G. I, D, B, K, U, G. Hence your option is D is the correct answer. So we'll move on to your next question. If the code of flexible is flexible is E, M, D, Y, H, C, K, F. Code of flexible is written as E, M, D, Y, H, C, K, F. So here F, E. What is the previous letter of F? E, -1. What is the next letter of L? Next letter of L is M, -1, +1. What is the previous letter of E? D. What is the next letter of X? Y. -1, +1, -1, +1, -1, +1, +1, -1, +1. So the same procedure which is used for material, material, material. What is the previous letter of m minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1, in the sense previous letter, next letter, previous letter, next letter. What is the previous letter of m? L. What is the next letter of A? B. What is the previous letter of T? Previous letter of T is S. What is the next letter of E? F. What is the previous letter of R? Q. What is the next letter of I? J. What is the previous letter of A? Z. What is the next letter of L? M. So L, B, S, F, Q, J, Z, M. L, B, S, F, Q, J, Z, M. Hence your answer is option C is the correct answer. We'll move on to your next question. If the code of crystal is written as M, B, U, T, Z, S, D. So, next letter of L is M. Next letter of C is D. Next letter of A is B. Next letter of R is S. Next letter of T is U. Next letter of Y is Z. Next letter of S is T. The center value will be remain constant. Similarly, the same procedure which is followed for protein. The word protein, P-R-O-T-I-E-N. So, what is the next letter of N? O. What is the next letter of P? What is the next letter of P? Q. What is the next letter of E? F. What is the next letter of R? S. What is the next letter of, that is I? What is the next letter of I? J. What is the next letter of O? P. What is the next letter of T? U. Hence your answer is O, F, J, U, P, S, Q. So hence your answer is A is the correct answer. We'll move on to your next question. In this question, if the code of remotely R-E-M-O-T-E-L-Y, remotely is written as XKDSNLDQ. Now, the same procedure which is followed for measures, MEASURES. Now, what is the next letter of Y? What is the next letter of Y? Z. Here, instead of Y, they are using X. So that they are taking the previous letter. What is the previous letter of R? That is previous letter of R is Q. What is the previous letter of L? What is the previous letter of L? K. What is the previous letter of E? D. They are taking the previous letter in crisscross method. So what is the previous letter of O here? What is the previous letter of O? Here they are taking S. Remotely, R-E-M 3 letters, sorry, R-E-O-T-E-L-Y, splitted. So, what is the next letter of here? What is the, here, what is the previous letter of E? D. What is the previous letter of T? What is the previous letter of T? S. What is the previous letter of O? N. What is the previous letter of M? L. What is the previous letter of E? D. What is the previous letter of R? Q. The last 4 is coming in the first place. The first 4 is going into the last 4 places. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, what is the previous letter of S? What is the previous letter of S? R. What is the previous letter of E? First, we need to write measures. In this measure, we need to write the last 4 letters in the first spaces. So, what is the previous letter of E? D. What is the previous letter of R? Q. What is the previous letter of U? T. Now, What is the previous letter of S? What is the previous letter of S? R. What is the previous letter of A? Z. What is the previous letter of E? D. What is the previous letter of M? What is the previous letter of M? L. So hence your answer is R, D, Q, T, R, D, Q, T, R, Z, T, L. R, Z, T, L. Option C is the correct answer. So they are using either previous letter or the next letter. They are in the ascending order or this type of shuffled directions. Okay. Observe your first question carefully. Afterwards, you can use that same procedure for the given word. We'll move on to your next question. So if the code of reduce is REDUCE, reduces SF E, T, B, D. So next letter of R is S. Next letter of E is F. Next letter of D is E. Next letter of U is T. Next letter of C is P. Next letter of E is D. Similarly, they are substituted the next letter of the next letter of their respective letters. So same procedure which is followed for building. The given code is code for the word building. What is the next letter of B? C. What is the next letter of U? What is the next letter of U? V. What is the next letter of I? J. What is the next letter of L? M. So what is the next letter of D? E. What is the next letter of I? J. What is the next letter of N? O. What is the next letter of G? H. C, V, J, M. E, J, O, H. C, V, J, M. Then after that, so the first option is not matched for us. So C, V, J, M. E, J, O, H. C, V, J, M, E, J, O, H. So hence there is no option is available here. So hence your answer is none of these. So here they are using the next letter. So the G's next letter is H. So the option is not available. So G, H only na. So it is not available. So answer is none of these. We'll move on to your next question. Here living is, if the code of living KHUJOH, cosmic will be coded as LKIH. So here living, they are using I, here H. So previous letter, next letter LK, they are using the letter K for L. So taking the previous letter, and what is the previous letter of V? We check the third letter of V. What is the previous letter of V? U. So they are taking previous letter respectively. What is the previous letter of G here? Previous letter of G is F, but they are using here H. So the previous letter of G is, so here they are using H code. So living. So previous letter of L is K and previous letter of I is H and previous letter of V is U. Now they are using I. What is that? IJ. In N, what is the next letter of N? Next letter of N is O. O. What is the next letter of GH? They are splitted two parts. The first parts are written in the format of previous letter and the second formats are written in the format of next letter. The same procedure which is followed for cosmic. We should split this into two parts. So first part is previous letter and the next three letter is the next three letter will be your next letter of your alphabet. So what is the previous letter of C? B. What is the previous letter of O? N. What is the previous letter of S? R. So what is the next letter of M? N. What is the next letter of I? What is the next letter of I? J. What is the next letter of C? Sorry, what is the next letter of C? D. So hence your answer is B, N, R, N, J, D. B, N, R, N, J, D. Hence your answer is option A is the correct answer. Yes, now we'll move on to your next question. Code of tricky is TRICKY is written as GIRXPB. So there is no relationship between T and G. So T is there and G is there. How many letters are there? So many letters are there. So here, what is the T value here? The T value is 20. So ascending value is 20 and the descending value is 7. So the G is here 7, 20. So R, what is the value of R? 18, 9. So here 9, 18 is I. See, what is the value of I? So 9, 18. What is the value of R? Obviously, value of R is 18, 9. So here they are taking the value. T example, value of T is 20, 7. G value is 7, 20. So reversing the alphabet values. So similarly, example, what is the value of Y? What is the value of Y? 25, 2. Similarly, what is the value of B? 2, 25. What is the value of K? What is the value of K here? 11, 16. What is the value of P? 16, 11. So the same procedure which is followed for revival. So your answer is, we want to follow the same procedure for revival. What is the value of R? 18, 9. So what is the 9, 18? Where is the 9, 18? I. What is the value of E? 5, 22. What is the value of 22, 5? V. What is the value of V? What is the value of V? 22, 5. So we need to take 5, 22. Where is 5, 22? 5, 22 having the value E. Just check with your options. Is there any options I, B, E is available? Yes, option B is available. So we can go with, what is the value of E? What is the value of E? 5, 22. Now we want to take 22, 5. 22, 5 is V. So what is the value of A? What is the value of A? 1, 26. We need to take 26, 1. Where is 26, 1? Z. What is the value of L? So what is the value of L? 12, 15. Then what is the value of 15, 12? What is the value of 15, 12? O. So hence your answer is option B is the correct answer. So here Pearson, if the code of Pearson is written as KVZIHLM. What is the value of P? What is the value of P? 16, 11. What is the value of K? What is the value of K? 11, 16. What is the value of E? Value of E is 5, 22. What is the value of V? What is the value of V? Here 5, 22. 22, 5. What is the value of A? 1, 26. What is the value of Z? 26, 1. So what is the value of N? What is the value of N? 14, 13. What is the value of M? 13, 14. So here 14 comma 13 first row, the second row value will be 13 comma 14. The same procedure is followed for the given word uplift. So uplift. So what is the value of u? 21 comma 6. Now we want to write 6 comma 21 if. What is the value of p? What is the value of p? 16 comma 11. What is the value of, we are taking 11 comma 16 here, 11 comma 16k. What is the value of l? What is the value of l? 12 comma 15. Now we want to take 15 comma 12. Whoa. What is the value of I? What is the value of I? Just observe 9 comma 18. So here we want to take 18 comma 9. Where is 18 comma 9 are? What is the value of f? What is the value of f? 6 comma 21. What is the value of 21 comma 6 u? What is the value of t? What is the value of t? 20 comma 7. What is the value of 7 comma 20? G. So hence your answer is FKORUG. FKOR. Where is your option? FKORUG. Hence your option is D. While choosing the coding and decoding correct answer, you want to observe their options properly, because entire options will be 90% are same. So you want to choose your correct options. Better you have, I give one idea. First term and last term. Observe your first term and last term. FG. Here FG. Okay. Now KU. Here K is not. Here K is not. So out of these two options, we have the correct options. So O. What is the value of O here? So sorry, your answer is O. Which one is having O? The option D is the correct answer. Okay. In this video, we have discussed some of the questions which is related to your coding and decoding. They are using the concepts of either they can use the next letter of your alphabet or previous letter of your alphabet. They can shuffle the word itself. So this type of procedures, they are used frequently in your competitive questions and all. Thank you for watching.